Breakfast, breakfast. Oh, it's a cute little lamb, I think.
Oh, look at that. That's so cute. It's a Webkinz lamb.
Yes.
Ooh, alright, let's take everything off.
Kaylee's mom got Riven and Clara
this is
some
Claire.
Easter
I guess
gifts.
This is Clara's Webkinz. Well, they have the same one. Look, Clara, this is for you.
Baked beans.
It's for you. Can you open it?
Grandma likes to give those nasty beans.
I love Boston bacon. Goldfish opened up in here. Oh, Easter eggs opened up in here.
Oh,
Brandon, this is
awesome
for you.
bubbles. Pretty.
Look, that's for you. Open it up. It says ribbon. We love you,
it's
Jam
chalk.
and Pop. Happy Easter bundle. What did you get? You got Princess Bubbles.
Let's see what your card
Look at
says.
the cute pink short.
It says Clara,
And a
love
smiley
ribbons, Gamma, and
t-shirt.
Pop.
How
Happy
cute.
Easter, Clara. Oh, it's so
You got
sweet.
cheddar bunnies and little baby birds
Oh, cute.
and organic fruit snacks. Oh, and look at all the cute hair dye. We also got chalk eggs.
Oh, but you have something.
Super cute. Okay, open this
What else
up.
do you have?
Can you open that? This is for Claire, actually.
You
Let's
move.
switch the box side around. So you can open
Okay.
up Claire's side. I'm just going to open up Ribbon.
Oh, that is so adorable.
Yeah, she's got a little lamb.
That's cute.
Can you
Oh,
open
it's so
that?
sweet.
Open it.
Oh, and the
What is
little
it?
shorts. How cute.
Oh, so pretty. Claire got a matching one.
What did she really? That's so cute.
Thank you. We'll eat those in a minute.
So adorable.
Look how pretty.
Oh my god, that is so cute. Matching dresses.
Pretty. You know what they're wearing? for
How'd she know her
Easter?
size?
I told her.
Oh, you are so sneaky.
All right, what's in here?
And these are such
open
cute
it?
dresses too.
Open it. It fell out. Oh, this is for
Oh,
mommy.
I'm not sure what exactly is for Clara.
This is for mommy.
Oh my god, these things are so good.
I love them.
These, oh my god, they're so good. I love them.
Look, you got more cheddar bunnies.
Oh, do you want the
Are you
chocolate?
enjoying your pack?
So we decided today that we're actually gonna have like a spontaneous day. So I'm gonna go get ready and we'll go, I guess, just do whatever. We have fun. Are you drawing pretty pretties for Daddy? Oh, look how pretty. Oh, it's beautiful. Good girl. Isn't her hair just so adorable? Ah, I love it. And this is her new little tankini. She's wearing a diaper and shorts for now because we don't want her to go to the bathroom in her swim diaper till we get to the beach. Oh, I almost fell down. My goodness. Look. Oh, pretty. That's Mommy and Daddy's favorite colors, purple and blue. So the Lions had to rent this very awesome vehicle. It's so freaking big. So much room for activities. The girls are all buckled in, ready to go on our little adventures. We're at Cafe Bienville for our first stop. Gonna get some lunch. Delicious. Oh yeah, you can. I'm currently at a Wave store. Gonna get some, gonna get a towel and head to the beach. Alright, well we're leaving the beach now. It was a good time. Hopefully we can visit one more time before Claire and I leave.
You know, we spent a good 3 hours there, though.
We are getting shakes. It's gonna be really, really yummy. We're in our jammies, all washed and ready to snuggle up and go to sleep. Okay, great day overall.